Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be talking about progression inside of Moria. So, in a lot of different areas when you go to the next zone, you'll find that your equipment isn't as strong, especially your weapons, for killing different creatures that you'll find there. Same thing with your pick. You'll need higher level picks and different equipment in order to even do things like mining different materials like this crystal. So to get new blueprints, you have to find these broken, damaged statues, and these will give you what you need in order to progress the higher level blueprints and everything. And they usually require just 20 stone in order to repair, and an appropriately leveled repair hammer that you can craft back at your base. And then boom, I have unlocked a new greatsword that I can build in order to make my life a little bit easier when I'm going out and about killing things and progressing in the game. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Oh, and as a little side tip, for those who might be wondering, Larry, I can't find the next area that I need to be going through. I've dug into all of, like, the blocked up passages, and nothing's working. My suggestion is just remember that all of these areas, like this silver ore here that you can mine, some of those are blocking a roadway. They're not always just this compacted dirt. Like that silver ore right there, it comes out over here. I can sneak around over here, and then the silver ore plot comes out right over here where this granite wall is. So sometimes ore is hiding the pathway that leads you to the next area. So, just food for thought. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.